let's go to work, 'cause I'm prepared.
Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Kaz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone on this Friday afternoon in hot Fort Myers. Every Friday is my collage day or my jelly printing day, and I have these two images that I just love. And I'm not sure which one I'm going to use as my focal point on this collage. Maybe I'll use both, I don't know, but they're absolutely stunning, and I can't remember the name of this actress, but I love them, and they're on some really nice rice paper that is actually a little bit transparent. So whatever I do to the background, once I apply this, some of the background's going to show through. So this is my inspiration today. Let me set that aside and show you. I've got some beautiful Kozo papers that I get from Kozo Studios. There's a link in the description box for a discount code for you. But I also have some other papers here. I forget what this is called, Dunkel or Denker paper. It's kind of very thick. It's a roughed edge paper, and I love it because it's a cream color. In these papers, joggles.com, I believe, is where I got these, or scrapbook.com. I need to keep better records, so in case I ever want to get more, I know where the heck I got it, right? But these are kind of embossed, and these would work really nicely. I could actually roll my brayer over top of it to add some color. So I'm just gonna kind of fiddle and play. Love, love, love this Kozo paper. You can see the very thin area once you apply this with your gel gloss medium, which is what I'm using. Got it right here on the right. That's from Liquitex. This part disappears and you just see the kind of the rings or the circles. And what I like to do with it is after it dries, I like to paint it. So it just gives you some texture on your canvas. But look at all these just absolutely stunning papers that I have. They inspire me so much. This one as well, you can see that you would see the underpainting or the under paper. And these papers are so delicious and so easy to tear. One of my favorite papers of all time. I got this from darling Amy McKeon from Amy McKeon Art, and it's kind of waxy, but I love the design on it. We've got a little bit of gold here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not. Some more white that is semi-transparent. You can see that once you apply this, you'll be able to see the underpainting. What else? I got all kinds of good stuff. So, oh, look at this guy. This almost looks like leather. He's all bumpy and cool. I've used him recently and just had a blast with it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm here to get into the zone and just kind of have some fun. Oh, look at this one. This one has got like a leaf imprint. These are so fun to incorporate in your acrylic pours. Do your collage work with them. They're just a blur. Now, I find that the secret of the collage is to get your backgrounds done first. And I don't like a bunch of little pieces here and there. I like a bigger background, and then I apply my focal point, which in this case would be one or both of these images. And then I end with smaller accent pieces, or basically I'm just embellishing it from there. So sometimes I take a couple of days. I get started on it, kind of get it going, put it up on my wall and stare at it. And then other things come to mind after I stare at it for a while. So I hope you enjoy this. I'll speed it up because I will take quite a few hours here because that's my jam. The longer it takes, the happier this girl is. So We're working on an edge canvas. What size is this? This is like a 10 by 40, I think. I'll make sure that I post it in the description box. I have another one over there. I just can't see it. Oh, there it is. It's an 8 by 32. I'm sorry, 8 by 32 deep edge canvas. I get them at Jerry's Artorama. I think that's it. I tear my papers. I don't cut them. I don't like the hard edges. I like it to be a little bit more organic. And one thing that I've taught you all before is if you tear towards you, you get a nice edge that you don't see the underside of. If you tear away from you, you see the underside. So you can get some different effects with that as well. So yeah, we're just gonna play. We'll put some music on and we're gonna get collaging, guys. I'm glad you're here. Let's get busy.
For sure. still with me all the time. Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above it all, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all, I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again, yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself and life will be sweet again, so sweet again. Above it all, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all, I never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Let it go. And I start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom.